Hi, my name is Mitchell Joseph. Welcome to Trading the Markets. And right now we're doing a one-on-one session, and we're gonna do some back testing. Okay. So, because like the market's closed right now, so
Mhm.
what you should do is log into your live account so we can do
Okay.
on demand.
Now, should I do this from a computer or
A computer would be best. Are you on your phone right now, or
I was on the iPad.
okay? I don't know if you have it on there. Do you?
Okay, so I'm gonna switch.
All right, no problem. Yeah, just trying to be max beneficial to you. But I've been dabbling with the Forex, looking at getting a funded account.
Oh wow. Yeah,
Hmm.
I watch it. I watch Sydney do it, but I don't feel like I'm not there yet at all with either one.
Yeah, like I dabbled with the Forex before, but I never really like got proficient in it. But since I've gotten better as a trader, it's the same, on the charts and entries and fundamentals. So like
Hmm.
I'm doing really good on the demo, but
Hmm.
I still need to learn how to like take profit and stop loss and manage my trades on platform on MT4 better,
Hmm.
you know. But it's the same like I'm trading US 30. That's basically the Dow Jones index.
Okay.
And then they have
Oh,
say that again.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, because they have indexes. They have a lot of indices on there. So you could trade it. Instead of SPY, you could trade SPX. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm, hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's a lot of indices. There's gold. Sometimes I'll do crypto. I've done like Bitcoin versus USD, which is basically Bitcoin. You could make money off the quick movements in crypto, you know. So it's pretty cool because and what I actually really like about Forex is like, for example, with options, if you have a cash account, you have to wait. It's cool because you could do like unlimited day trades for as much cash as you have. But once you run out of cash, basically like let's say on a cash account, if I have $200, once I've put up $200, I can't trade anymore because it's gonna take a whole day for my options to settle until the next day. You know what I mean?
Yes, you saying with the cash account?
Yeah, with the cash account, like that's
Hmm.
how it works. Like the benefit is that I can day trade. Normally, like on
Hmm.
Robinhood, there's the PDT rule where you can only place 5 day trades and
Hmm.
actually 3 day trades, 3 day trades in a 5 day rolling period. So in order to get out, because otherwise, in order to day trade all you want, you have to have $25,000 in your account.
Mm.
So to get around that rule, to day trade, because a lot of moves are quick and you can just be in and out. Um, it's a cash account, that allows you to day trade. So now it's just off cash because the other account uses margin. It's a margin account. So this one's
Mhm.
cash account, and whatever amount of cash you have, you could trade. So if you got like $1,000, you can make 10 trades for 100. You know what I mean?
Wow.
Yeah, whatever amount of cash you have, you could trade that amount. But once you run out of cash, you can't trade no more. But it's cool because it allows me to go in and out of more trades sometimes. Like let's say like I have like a max budget. Now I can per trade, if I have
Mhm.
more money, I can keep going in and coming out. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. But
Mm.
it's not always good to keep doing that as well. So, but
Mhm.
sometimes. Yeah. So were you able to your TD?
So, am I going to the Thinkorswim?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then go to your live account and then go and then hit that on demand button in the right corner and you can share your screen.
Okay. Um, I think because I haven't been on it for in a while, it's taken a long time. I normally go on the like TD Ameritrade, and so I guess that's probably where I go wrong because that's probably an easy, well, not really easy route, but okay.
Yeah, so you're really getting down to it
Mm-hmm.
because it's like you need the experience. It's like
Mm-hmm.
you can't just read about it or watch a video about it. You have to, you know,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's like reading a book on basketball and playing it, two different things.
Yeah.
hmm Or even watching videos.
I
But
don't know why I'm scared.
yeah, don't be scared because you're on the demo. So what do you have to
Yeah.
lose?
Yeah. I just feel like I don't know. Like even though I watch the classes and attend the classes, I still feel like I'm not there.
Well, this is the way for us to fix it. Is for you to do it right now.
Hmm.
hmm
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Because I'm sitting and watching, but I guess because I'm not.
You're not doing it. So
Hmm.
well, we fixing that right today.
Okay, it says installing updates. It was a long time.
Yeah, the bar is like it takes time loading sometimes. When you see that bar move,
Yep, it's moving.
but
Mm,
it's like, but the main thing is like if you're really disciplined, you don't need much money to start trading. You know,
really? Yeah.
yeah, like yesterday with $200 account turned into a $300 account. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And
But
I've done that, but I think I lost it because I.
it's the rules. It's how
Mhm,
you're doing it. What are the
mhm,
rules? Because my max rule was I couldn't put up more than $70. Like I made
mm,
I made $100 off 70. You know what I mean? So it's like, are you respecting your rules each time? Because it's like if you do it every single time, then you're establishing consistency in your process. You know what I
mhm,
mean?
yeah.
Like a lot of people, like they get a strategy and they just keep bouncing to the next strategy to the next strategy when you haven't stayed consistent to even
Mhm,
get results.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. How's it looking?
Um, it's still loading.
Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Once you do that, it should be right. And let me log into mine. Oh, this is simulated the demo. But all right, let me just try to log into mine and see how long that takes for me.
Wow, that's taking a while.
Oh, we're not giving up.
Yeah, I can think of a couple mistakes that I did probably because I am and was a newbie. So times where I would like sit there and watch it go in negative, or I just would like hope, wish, and pray like it's going to turn around, and every time.
Mhm. Right. And then another thing I'm gonna start doing is start recording myself while I'm trading. That
Mm,
way I could take the journaling to the next level.
hmm. Okay.
Mhm.
Oh
Yeah.
shit. It's asking me for my login now. I thought it was gonna be saved. So
See if you remember.
oh my gosh. I have to go to Thinkorswim. Oh, that would be the same as TD, right? The TD Ameritrade.
Yeah, TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim is the same. Thinkorswim is just the app to trade it on. It's the trading app.
Oh man. Let's see. Let's see. Hope this works.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm inside of mine now. Just be that on demand button once you get in.
Okay.
I hit mine.
Okay. You said hit the on demand button.
Yep, you see it
Um,
right there in the corner. So go to monitor,
yes, I see it.
Yeah, I got it. All right, so I will let you share your screen
Okay.
and we will get down to it.
Okay. Oh, okay, I see it. Um,
So now we're doing market replay. Nice. Good. Now you're gonna have something to journal.
I know, right? Okay. This
All
is like a
right, so
lot of
so
work.
now so you see the date?
The date.
Yeah. So you see the dates in the
Okay.
top right, top
Right
there,
here.
right there. Yeah. Click on that and select the date and time in the past. So that's
Um,
what you can like change the year.
okay.
Yeah. So you can
Uh,
scroll. You can either scroll up on your
okay.
mouse if you scroll up, or
Oh, okay.
yeah, and to go into the past,
Okay.
May 2020. All right, and then pick a day in the week.
Okay.
All right. So now our market opens up at 8:30. So type in 8:25,
Okay.
25, just to give it some time.
Okay.
All right, and then go. So now this is gonna load and it's gonna show us the market in that time frame that we picked. So now go to chart right here.
I'm sorry, you said chart where?
Yeah, you see the chart tab at the top?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So now type in your ticker right here. Type in SPY right there. No, not the live news. Right here
Oh,
in the blue. Let me pick a different color. Might be too red is better. You see it?
oh, thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I enter SPY. So now it's gonna show you a chart of SPY.
Okay.
All right. So now I want you to collapse this. Hit this right here to collapse this, the
Oh,
sidebar. Yeah.
okay.
All right. Cool. So now we can see. So now we can see SPY. All right. So we have like 4 minutes. So I want you to chart support and resistance.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all we're doing is chart support and resistance. You know how to draw lines? Go to
No,
drawing.
I've never. No, I've only used the TD wrench. I don't know how to use
So
this.
I'm helping you out. You see it? You see what I
Oh, yeah.
circled?
Okay.
Yeah. And then drawing tools.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do vertical lines. So we're gonna do price level. You see what I just circled? Yeah,
Yes.
click on that. And then now you're gonna click where you want to make the price level. We want to do don't so do it more around recent action. So this
Recent, like right here.
like this is where we are today. So I'm saying do support and resistance around that is what I'm saying. Around current price. So for example, you see how this is a recent resistance and that's a recent
Mhm.
support.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would do.
And you just click it twice and it's gonna make a line. You see how the line's made? It's a
Yes.
second click off where you move it. So that's support. Now make a line right there
Okay.
and make a line right here too, basically.
Oh, I was thinking that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most recent. Because we're on the daily and we're gonna
Uh-huh.
go down in time frame to find an entry after we decide
Okay.
where we're gonna go. All right, so
Okay. So
all right, so now you see how it's a pencil? So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna click out here and you're gonna drag over to the right. So with that pencil icon that you have on your pointer, you're gonna
could you say it
point.
one more time? I'm
So
sorry, my
for
internet's so loud.
oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So actually, no, you have the price level. So go back to drawings,
Horns. Okay.
and then you're gonna click the pointer. This one. Yep, that one. Yep. So now you're gonna put the pointer. You're gonna start clicking right here. You're gonna start clicking right here, and then drag it out to all the way to the edge to the right. Click
Okay, you said
and
click right
drag.
here.
So click and then drag all the way to the right.
Okay.
Click. Is it clicking?
Oh wait, let me try it again.
It's not. There we
Oh,
there
okay.
we go. All the way to the right.
Mm.
That's how you zoom in.
Oh, okay.
All right, with the pointer tool. All right.
Cool. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we can see what's happening on the daily. We see that we're near resistance. So, all right. So actually, give me your take. What do you want to do? We got like, so hit this, hit this button. Pause real quick. Hit this button. The market's about to open. I wish I could do this in real life. Just pause and fast forward the market. So you see we're on daily candles, right? So now I
Yeah.
want you to go to the small time frame. Go to the 4 hour and then work your way down.
Okay, 4 hour.
So you're going off this, yeah. Mhm. So
Okay.
now I want you to zoom in from here, click, drag
Oh, from all the way back here. Okay.
from where I put the red. Yep. You see how we're getting more,
Mm-hmm.
more close to see what's
Yep.
happening. So
Mm-hmm.
what do you see so far?
Um, what I see so far,
Hmm.
I see. I don't know what time frame. Well, like I
We're in
see.
the four
Okay.
hour.
Oh, okay. 4 hours. So I feel like it's a downtrend, but
Okay,
yeah.
it's a downtrend. Why do you say that?
I would say because of the direction of the last
And
three
what
candles.
are and what did the price bounce off of that you drew?
The support.
No, supports on the bottom, resistance
Oh
the same.
gosh, resistance.
Yeah, resistance. So you
Okay.
see how it's bouncing off resistance?
Mm-hmm.
So that already shows you there's a
Mm-hmm.
problem to go higher right now. Not to say
Hmm.
that we can't go higher because if you look right here, that's where we started going higher, right?
Okay.
After coming down so much. So that was a nice move that it made from there, right? Right from
Hmm.
support. So you see how it's bouncing between support and resistance?
Yes.
So that's really good because now maybe this will keep going down and
Okay.
maybe hit support. That's a maybe, right?
Hmm.
And that's a high chance just because it did it one time, and then it came back to the zone where it could do it again.
Okay.
So let's say you want to go that way, right? Let's say you want to go to the down. So what you could do is wait for price to break support. You know what I mean? So draw a line right there where I drew.
Okay. So I will go
Yeah.
to the door.
Or Matt, can you put an alert? Oh, hold on. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
That
And
one's fine.
yep, and you see where I drew it.
Right here.
Yeah, just drag it out a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. And I would do this because that was the last, the lowest that it was.
That
Correct.
that's the last low, right?
Hmm.
And I want some confirmation before I enter this.
Okay. Hmm.
So so if there's one place where price did bounce before was off this low, let's see
Hmm.
if it can break this low. You know what I
Hmm.
mean? So now
And
if price breaks that low, then
mhm.
I'll play it.
Okay, and when you say break, do you mean like
Past
all the way
past
through past
price
it?
comes down underneath that
Mhm.
line.
Okay, completely beneath it.
It gotta close. The candle gotta close.
Okay.
Hmm. So once the candle closes underneath that, that counts as a break.
Okay.
And even then, maybe I'll wait a little bit longer just to see if it continues. But the main thing is I gotta see how price reacts. You gotta let
Hmm.
price react before you react. Don't react first.
Okay, because I was about to say sometimes I see that happen and I'm like, oh my gosh, am I missing out?
Until that happens. You know what I mean? Like for example, if it breaks this, I'm looking for calls.
Okay, which one if it breaks
The
right
top
here,
one,
right?
the
Mm-hmm.
resistance,
Mm-hmm.
because that's what's been keeping it down. Once
Mm-hmm.
it finally breaks it, it's gonna have some legs.
Okay.
But it can also be a fake out where
Mm-hmm.
it breaks it for a second and comes down. So that's why even after it breaks, I still will watch it a little bit and then enter.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm. You
know?
did see that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. So we have an idea. So now if it breaks the highs, we could target maybe like 300, for example,
Mm-hmm.
right? But if it
Okay.
breaks the lows, we could target 280.
Mm-hmm.
So those are our targets.
Okay.
So now we have two plans. If it breaks, whether it breaks the top or the bottom of this, we're gonna find out.
Okay.
So now you can play the market. Hit the play button. Yep. And let's see where we open up. Because who knows, we might gap up, gap down, completely change our viewpoint.
Okay.
but at least now we have some important levels. We know where to play. It's just about waiting for when.
Okay.
30 seconds. The market's about to open. Yeah, I always get hyped like a couple seconds before the market opens.
Me too, though. Even though sometimes I don't, I just sit and watch it. I'll just run to the computer at 9:30 and watch
I
it.
like watching the first candle. Let's
Mm-hmm.
see.
See how much.
4, 3, 2, 1. Although it looked like it started already. All right, so now let's go to small time frame.
Okay.
So go to 1 hour.
1 hour, 1 day.
See it? I made the red line.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I keep making a lot of red lines.
Thank you. It's helpful.
So you see, so you see it on the 1 hour. You see on the 1 hour, it looks like it might retest that resistance. You see how it made a support on the 1 hour right there.
Yes.
So as you keep going to small time frames, you're gonna see more, and then you can see where you can get in because you see how your big picture is getting smaller, and then now you know where you are on the big picture. So
And we marked it on the high on the daily, right?
yeah, we marked it on the daily and the 4 hour.
The four
Now,
hour, yeah.
yep. Now we're on the 1 hour.
Mhm.
So if you want to, you can make a line right here because now you can say if you break this line, you can get an earlier entry instead of waiting for this line. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
That's the benefit of the small time frame.
Okay, so we will mark it on the smaller because it's a new lower level, right?
Because we're able to see more levels on a smaller time frame. And to enter, we want to be surgical. Even though it's going up, we don't want to catch it when it's getting ready to go down before it goes up again.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So in order to be surgical, we gotta mark our levels as to basically all we're doing. We're finding the path of least resistance all around us.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, and another thing, like you'll notice is like right here, you can make a line, like because support and resistance is also diagonal. You know what I mean?
Right here.
Basically, like yeah, like right there. I'll erase it so you could do it. Yeah,
So okay,
but
so
but
normally, oh,
to
hold on,
do
sorry.
that, you got to go back to drawings and
Okay.
you got to select trend line, which is different.
Okay.
Drawing tools, trend line, the diagonal one. See how it's
Trend
diagonal?
line.
The diagonal one right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
So
now
okay,
we start
question.
at the
Normally,
edge. Yep. Click it and then
when
drag
mhm.
all the way to the end, and then click all the way to the bottom. Yep.
So question,
All the way to the support. All the way to the support. Last support
right
you
here.
do. Yep.
Okay, so question. Sometimes when I do it, I would go here. So should I never? Should I just always do it to
You
the end of it?
you want to go to maximum touches, but you also want to go with recent
Okay,
goals. You know.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's what we're concerned about.
Okay, because I was marking some today and I just felt confused. Like, I don't, it just didn't look right.
All right, so you see the market's moving. Market's been open 2 minutes. You see the market look like it's want to push higher. So now I want you to zoom in. So I'll go back to drawing tools, and then get the pointer. So you can zoom in from the low, from the trend line. Yep, all the way to the right. Zoom in.
Okay.
So now we see that. And so now if you want to know what the gray area is, the gray area is pre-market and after hours. So the black area is during regular hours. So let's get rid of that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click this little gear right here,
Okay.
and then you're gonna go to what is it again? Equities, and then you're gonna go to right here. You're gonna uncheck that extended hours, both of them, the top one. Yep, and then apply. Yep.
Nice.
So now you got a cleaner chart. There's no after hours. You see how the path is way more cleaner. You can see
hmm
how it's moving.
hmm
So
Yeah.
now you're on the 1 hour. So you see, look on the 1 hour, there's still some space to go up if it wants to go up towards resistance. You see how there's space on the 1 hour. But on
Right
the
here.
4 hour, it look a lot closer. Not only that, if you look to your left, so when you're charting, you always want to look to your left.
Okay.
You're gonna see what right here. What's this?
Oh, a gap.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So that gives you gaps is good because they give you targets.
Mm-hmm.
So draw a line from that gap and then draw a line to the top of the gap. Draw two right lines. Two price levels. Yeah,
Okay. And click
price
on this one,
levels.
right?
That one.
Okay. So
No,
now,
no, not zoom in. You hit the zoom in.
oh,
Yeah,
wrong button. I have to learn
yeah,
these
price
buttons.
level. That one.
And so now I will go from
So
here.
all the way to the right. All the way to the right. Yep. Bring it down low.
Right here. Oh,
Down a little. Yeah,
lower.
right there. Right there. All right. So then draw another one. Yep. And now go into the 15 minute.
Okay.
So now when we're looking for entry, we're gonna look at 15 minute and smaller.
Okay.
All we did was set it up to our levels on what we need to happen in order to get in.
Okay.
So all right, so zoom out a little bit. There should be a zoom out button down here. Hit that button. Did you zoom out? Did you zoom in? Yeah, you zoomed in. Can you zoom out? Or is that you can't zoom out?
No.
All right, then go to the 30 minute.
Okay.
I just want to see. Okay. So I can see clearly. I just want to see over here. Okay, I can see clearly. So yeah, so basically, once we break this level, you
Mm-hmm.
can go into calls and take profit over here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Okay, so break that level once it go completely out and close. Then
Once the candle closes, but we're gonna go on a smaller time frame. So go to the 5 minute now.
okay. Okay.
All right, and 8:36. So now zoom in, zoom in from. Oh yeah, you can just do that. Yeah, that works.
Oh, that's fine.
That works. I was just zooming into like the recent, see where we are. Zoom in one more time. Zoom into today's action.
So how, just like that, just clicking
Yeah,
that.
like that. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Cool. Yeah. So once we break right here, you can get in to calls. So if you want to get in a call, we could play the 293 calls. So now go to trade. Let's get ready.
Okay.
Go to trade.
Okay.
Type
Okay.
in SPY. Oh, it's already typed in. So the date is what, May 11th. So you could either do, because it's gonna be quick. You could either do these or these. Yeah.
Mm,
So
okay, so I'll try a different one because I never.
3:15. All right. 4 days. Yeah. All right. And then what I say, so right here, strikes. Click on this so you can have more strikes. Hit this
Oh,
tab.
okay.
Yep. And then all.
Thank you.
Yep. And then go to so we have about 10 minutes. Go to the 373 calls. Slide down. You see the numbers in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 373. All right, so how much are they? 373, 372. Oh, these are too super cheap. All right, so hold on. Why is it so cheap? So slide up. Let's go more in the money.
Okay.
Slide up. I'm trying to see when the prices.
Wow.
Yeah, that's super cheap. Hold on. Was it 272? Hold on, go back to the chart.
Okay, so I click on.
Yeah, go back to the chart. Oh, that's why. 272. Hold
Okay.
on. Hold on. No. That 293. The numbers were way off. 293. I'm sorry. 293. Yeah, we want
So
to
go to
target that.
go to trade and go to 293.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's because we were buying calls that could reach that number. So
Okay.
293 calls. It's like 256 to buy one. So we're gonna buy one.
Okay. So I just click on this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, click on the left side, the black. Yeah. But honestly, I feel like I wouldn't spend that much on one. So
Mm,
buy a cheaper one. Hold on. You can go a little bit more out the money. So hit this little thing right here. Hit this right here.
this one?
See in red where I circled to the
Oh,
left bottom.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, hit that. Yeah. So now pick a strike. Pick I would pick this one, psychological level. Because we have time for it to keep going further. That's why.
Okay.
It's $48. And
Oh,
you
wow.
buy yeah. So you buy like 2 or 3 contracts.
Okay.
Like I don't know, give yourself an imaginary budget.
That's cheap too. Really
Yeah.
cheap. Now,
So
when I
so
look
your
for it, I don't
budget.
see it.
So how much money is your budget right now that we're
My
playing with?
budget right now, well, I only have like $80. So,
All right, let's just pretend it's bigger and buy one.
okay.
All right.
Mm,
So change this to one right here.
okay. Okay.
And then and then yeah, let's just buy it. Hold on. Go to chart before you buy it. Let's see. Did we even break that line yet? Because we
300.
kind of stopped watching it. Oh, look, it didn't even break that line. So honestly, we probably wouldn't even trade it until it breaks that line.
Until it breaks this line right
Yeah.
here, right?
So
Okay.
here's what we're gonna do. Go right here and add some time. Add five
Okay.
minutes. So change it to like 46.
Okay.
Mhm. Let's see if it finally does.
And then zoom in.
Yep. All right, give it another 5 minutes.
Okay.
We don't have much time. All right,
You there?
all right. Yeah, I don't want to miss it. I don't want to pass it. Okay, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. I give it like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Hmm.
Doing this live, which is really helping me.
Hmm. Yeah, I really want to be effective and
Mhm.
for you to be a testimony.
I know, right? Ooh,
Hmm.
because I feel like I'm learning. I just
All
something
right,
I don't grasp.
look, it's getting closer. All right, add another 10 minutes.
Okay.
I
A.
wish I could do this in the market because I'd be impatient.
I can't wait until I like notice with my eyes closed like you.
All right, look at it. It's never getting it, and this is why you don't enter. You know what I
Mhm,
mean? Because imagine you entered right now,
mhm,
you'd be losing money,
mhm,
and this is where you trade. You just wait for a reaction. This is no
mhm,
man's land. Look at it; it's not even
mhm.
moving. This is
Yeah.
like what kills the options is when the
Mhm,
price moves sideways, because then it's
mm.
all theta. Okay,
Wow.
finally, okay, zoom in. Did we break? Did we close? Okay, all right. So now let's look at our options.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. I think it's go time.
Okay.
All right,
It's,
so look at our options. 50. Oh, it's 51 now. All right, go ahead, buy it.
okay.
Confirm send.
And that's it.
Normally there's fancier ways to buy it, but I'm keeping it simple.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because you could buy it and put your stop loss at the same time. Should I show
Mm.
you that? No, I will do it after. Go ahead. All right, so now go to monitor. Let's see. Let's see. All right, activity positions. Yeah, it's there. Working order. Click on that.
Okay.
So you see your order is at 52. So click on this right there. We need to get in. So cancel. You see
Oh,
that? You
cancel.
see all the way at the left where yeah, right there. There's
Mhm.
a little square right there. You see that square all the way to the right corner right there. Yeah. Put 3 lines right here. Right in that dot.
Wait, which one? Which one?
You see the red dot all the way to the far right? Yeah, right
Uh-huh.
there. Click on
So
it.
click on it. Okay.
Cancel replace order.
Okay.
So now you can quickly replace your order. So now put it hit F. So hit ice, change this to market. I'm gonna show you
Okay.
something. Yeah, we're gonna just get in right away because this time because the price keeps going up on us.
Gotcha.
Confirm and send.
Okay, so I should always do it on the market.
Market is to get in right away,
Okay.
but we're gonna pay the higher price, but we get it in. All right, so now go to monitor. All right, so now click this, click that little drop down.
This right here?
Yep.
Okay.
So now you see you got at 50 through 54. Now it's at 53.5. You're down 50 cents. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So
So if I
now,
set it on the screen, will it move? Like, will I be seeing it like move?
yeah, this is gonna move. This already moved. It was at 54 when you first bought
Okay.
it.
Mm,
So now we're gonna put a stop loss. So
okay.
click on it. Click on the option. Yep. Click on it. Double right click. Yeah, right click. Create closing order. Top one. Sell. So now we're gonna put a stop loss. So you're gonna change this to stop limit. Right here. Yep. Change the
Mm.
stop limit. Yep, at the
Oh,
bottom.
stop limit.
Yeah, stop limit. Yeah, that way we can set a price. So I would always put a 20% stop loss. So 20%. So what's 10% of 5.3? I'm sorry, I
Um,
just said it. 10% of 53 is 5.3.
uh,
So 20% is double that. So that means that's 10.6. So we're gonna put 10 away. So put your stop loss at 43.
43.
Yeah,
So how do I?
change the numbers. So right here you can change the number.
Oh,
43. You can
okay.
even type you could type it into either way.
Okay.
hmm 43 for both.
Oh,
You
for
got
both?
2 minutes. Yep, 43 for both. 43. Or you could do 44, 43. 44 for the stop, 43 for the limit.
Okay.
Other way.
Oh,
Stop gotta be
43.
bigger. Yeah, stop gotta be a little bigger. Limit is a small you'll take.
Okay.
44 is a stop. That's when they're gonna stop you out. All right, confirm and send.
Okay.
Send. All
And
right,
then,
so now we'll go back to monitor.
okay.
So are you still in the same place? All right, but you got your stop loss right here. See it?
Oh, okay. Gotcha. At the top.
Yeah. So now go back to the chart. Let's see what's going on. We got like 2 minutes. So yeah, hit the chart, see what's going on. Okay,
Okay.
it's moving. Add some time. Add like 10 minutes. We don't got much time. Add some time. Add 15. We need to see some. Okay. I think it hit our target. Look at that. Okay, you're in profit. Go to
Mm.
monitor. All right, you want to sell? Just sell because I gotta show you how to sell anyway.
Okay.
So create closing order. Remember, click on it, right click it, create closing
Oh,
order
so I click on this.
on the blue one. Yeah, the blue. I mean the option one. It's on the bottom.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And so where would the profits be? Right here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Gotcha.
$6. Yeah. But yep. Sell.
Okay. And then
Oh, you
confirm.
already have the stop loss. My fault. Go to monitor.
Okay.
Before this finishes. Now cancel this. Remember the little box at the corner. Cancel replace.
Okay.
And then changes to limit. Erase stop limit, changes to limit.
This one right here?
Yep. Limit 60.
Oh,
Or
so
you can
change.
just click this right here. Click the little thing right here. Yep, it'll automatically on the line.